Now look at the piano roll guide.
This diagram is a piano roll guide, or PRG for short. It represents the keyboard. All the C notes have been coloured yellow to help you find them. The other lighter yellow columns represent the white notes. The grey columns represent the black notes. If a note is to be played, it's shaded blue. Can you see that the notes shaded blue are the ones you've just played? The scale of C. Play the scale again, reading from the PAG from top to bottom. It's the blue shaded notes which tell you which notes on your keyboard to play. Higher pitched notes to the right, lower pitched to the left. You read the guide downwards as if it was rolling upwards. The old piano roll did roll upwards.
The notes of songs not only have different pitch, but as I've mentioned, each note is played for a certain time, called a note value. The PRG not only tells us about pitch, that is where on the keyboard to play the note, but it also tells us how long to play each note, that is its note value. Here is how. The PRG is divided up from top to bottom of the page by thick grey lines. I've made part of the lines in this corner really dark so that you can see them more clearly. Each line marks a bar or measure, and each bar has a number in the top left-hand corner. Each bar is also divided up into 4 equal parts by dotted lines. These 4 divisions tell us that there are 4 beats in a bar. The blue shaded blocks here are all the same height and each is a beat long. The note values are all the same, but it's not a song. Let's see what the PRG of a proper song looks like. Here is the PRG of the UK National Anthem. First thing to note is that the bar is divided up into 3 beats. There are 3 beats to each bar. So let us remind ourselves what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to play this following the PRG while I count out aloud. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you play this song with the help of the PRG to find the notes. Just for now, I'm hoping you know the time value of each note because you've heard the song before. I hope you managed that. So now let's find out how the time value of each note is given in the PRG. First of all, we can see that the notes for God, save, all last a whole beat. But grey lasts longer, followed by a short shus. But how much longer is this note and how much shorter is that one? To find out, we need to see that each beat has been split in 2. Notice that the note shus is half the height of a full beat. So it lasts just half a beat. Grey is longer. It lasts a whole beat and a half. What is this going to sound like? First, let's just include these half beats into our bar count. I'm going to count the 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, but slip in an and between each number, like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and... So I'm effectively counting 6 beats, but we keep the structure of 3.
Listen to how many beats the notes for grey and sh last, while I sing the tune and count at the beats and half beats at the same time. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Did you hear that grey lasts for the counts 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, while sh lasts for that and? So gracious Queen, gracious Queen.
I hope this simple tune gives you an idea of how the time value of each note in a song is represented by the number of beats covered by the blue shaded block. It's not that easy, is it? So you may want to run this bit about note values again. Now, do you want to have a go at playing the Saints?